Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 11. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can you say that the number must also be divisible by 4 into 6, 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer. We have to remember one divisibility rule, that is, here you see, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Now you see what is given in the question. 18 is divisible by 2, right? Here you see what is given, that 18 is divisible by 2, that is 9. It is divisible. And 18 is also divisible by 3. 18 is also divisible by 3, that is 3 6 18, right? And it is also divisible by 6 also, that is 18 is also, that is 18 is also divisible by 6, that is 2 into 3, 6 3 is 18, right? That means if 18 is divisible by two numbers 2 and 3, and if both the numbers, that is 2 and 3, are co-prime numbers, then 18 is divided also by the product of this number, that is 2 into 3. It is divisible by 6 also. It is divisible by 6 also, right? Again we are given that if 18 is divisible by 2 and 18 is divisible by 3, then 18 will also be divisible by 6. Why? Because 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers, and the divisibility rule is that if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by their product. That means 2 into 3 is 6, 18 is also divisible by 6. Now similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can you say that the number must also be divisible by 4 into 6, 24? First of all, we have to determine whether 4 and 6 are co-prime numbers or not. Let us find out whether 4 and 6 are co-prime or not. Now you see, 4 can be written in prime factorization form, that is 2, 2 to the 4. That is, we can write 2 into 2, and 6 can be written as 2 3 is 6, right? That is, or you can write into 1 also, right? Write 1 into 2 into 3, right? What are the common factors? Common factors are common factors are 1 and 2. Here you see 1 is common and 2 is also common. Here you see 2 is also common. Therefore, we cannot say, we can say that 4 and 6 are not co-prime. 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers, not co-prime numbers, co-prime numbers, not co-prime numbers, right? And if this number 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers, then any a number cannot be divisible by their multiply, that is 4 6 is 24. That means suppose a number x, suppose we have taken a number x, right? It is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 4, and it is also divisible by 6, right? But since the numbers 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers, we can say that is cannot be divided by their product, that is 4 into 6 is equal to 24. That means x will not be divided by 24, because 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. If they would be co-prime numbers, then it will be divisible, right? That means you have to remember the rule, that is if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. In this case, suppose 18, here you see 18 18. 18 is divisible by 2. 18 is divisible by 3. And you know that 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. And if you multiply the numbers 2 into 3, that is 6. That means this number is also divisible by 6. But in this case, you see, that is, a number is x. Suppose a number, we have taken a number x. This number is divisible by 4. This number is divisible by 6. But this x will not be divisible by 4 into 6, 24, because 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. Right? That means if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, only then it is divisible by their product also.